For this part, we're working on multiple paths from a single sketch and an alternative filleting method for a problem edge. Let's make sure that we're in the part design workbench, and I'll create a new body. I'll hide this one, and let's make a sketch on the XY plane. We are using Imperial, cool. And we could start this off by using the slot tool in order to make the outer edge of the body. This one is 3.25. And we'll make the thickness 1.75 divided by 2. Create another slot for the pocket. And make the width 0.5. This will be 1 inch. And for this outer edge, I'm going to be creating an arc by 3 points. That way I don't have another edge to deal with and we don't have to worry about trimming anything. Make sure both points are on the axis. Then I can select this point, make them coincident. Make these 2 points coincident, and make this coincident to the origin. It's fully constrained, we're good to go. I'll click off of the sketch, select one of the edges, and hold Control while I select the other ones for this exterior pad. Click on pad, make it 1 inch, and we'll use this reversed option as well. Now when we unhide the sketch, we can still see the lines that we're going to be using to create the other pad. Select these, click sketch, or pad, and this is going to be 0.375. Press OK. Again, go down to the pad, unhide the sketch, and then we'll click on these edges that will be pocketed. Select through all, press OK. Now that the majority of the part is finished, we can worry about this fillet. If I go to the front side, we can see that it's going to be an additive fillet. We're adding material here. And the issue that I've run into only with FreeCAD is if I select this fillet operation, it deforms the part very heavily. Doesn't matter if we make the correct radius, it still really messes with the part. So we can't do it that way. We'll go ahead and cancel it. What we're going to do is create another sketch on that point on the YZ plane. Come over and import this edge. And then I will be using the line tool to go out 0.1 inch and up 0.1 inch. Create an arc by 3 points. Select that top point, the side point, and then set the dimension to 0.1. Cool. Let's go over to the part workbench, select the sweep operation, and for us, it's sketch 4. Whichever one you select, it'll turn green. Move it over and choose the sweep path. Press done and use this create solid option. Now it looks like we have a nice 0.2 radius fillet. The only problem now is whenever we go to the top, we could see that the sweep brings this outside of the edge of the part. So let's fix that. Let's make another sweep operation using sketch 4, And we'll select this side edge as a sweep path. Press done, create solid, and OK. Finally, we can select the sweep, hold Control, and select this sweep, and then click on the cut operation. Now if we go to the top view, the side that we did the cut operation on stays within the bounds of the edge, whereas the other side goes over. Unfortunately, we can't mirror this sketch, so we're going to have to create another one. I'll select this edge and the point. There we go. Create a sketch. Yeah, actually, let's do this again in the part design workbench. Create a sketch again on the YZ plane. And we'll import this edge. Okay, let's go back to part, sweep, use sketch 5, and set the sweep path to this opposite edge. Press done, create solid, and hit OK. Now we can select this rounded sweep first, hold Control, and select this straight sweep, and press cut. Now, when we go to the top view, both sides are within the bounds of their edges. And we'll actually get an accurate mass reading whenever we go to this mass calculator macro. We'll be using grams, I believe. No, we'll be using pounds. So we'll select pounds, and the material is ABS. Go to model, select this body, and we get an accurate mass reading here.